Alright guys, let's look at the next question from Cat24, the first lot. Please pause the video and try this once and you can resume for the solution. So we have a plus b root n. It is the positive square root of 29 minus 12 root 5, where a and b are integers and n is a natural number. Then the maximum possible value of a plus b plus n is. Beautiful question and a very tricky one because many people have made mistakes here. So let's see how we solve this. Now this concept of finding out the square root of a surd we have already discussed, and you can check out the video link in the description or maybe the card flashing here on the right corner. So we observe that this surd is basically the expansion of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we visualize splitting this term in the same format, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we'll start by splitting 12 root 5. 12 root 5 can be split as 2 into 6 root 5. And from this I need to predict the terms a and b. If I take a and b as 6 and root 5 respectively, a square will be 6 square and b square will be root 5 square. 6 square is 36 and root 5 square is 5. 36 and 5 would be 41. But I don't want a 41 here. I want a 29. That means this is not the correct way of splitting 2ab. The next possibility could be 2ab. 2, 6 into root 5 could be split as 2 into 2 into 3 into root 5. So you can take a 2 as a and 3 root 5 as b. So 2 square plus 3 root 5 the whole square will give me 4 and 3 square is a 9, 9 5 is a 45. 45 plus 4 would be 49, but I want a 29 here. So once again, this is not the correct way of splitting. So that leaves only one possibility. This is basically 2 into 3 into 2 root 5. So 3 square would give you a 9 plus 2 root 5 the whole square is basically 4 into 5, 20. And indeed 9 plus 20 is 29. So we have understood that this entire expression 29 minus 12 root 5 is 3 square plus 2 root 5 square 2 into 3 into 2 root 5. So this is the expansion of a minus b the whole square, right? So now there are two ways of writing this. This could be either 3 minus 2 root 5 the whole square, or this could be 2 root 5 minus 3 the whole square. So square roots can be 3 minus 2 root 5 or 2 root 5 minus 3. But the question says a plus b root n is the positive square root. So I need to focus on the positive square root, which is naturally 2 root 5 minus 3. 3 minus 2 root 5 would be negative. So it is not the positive square root for sure. Matlab, I need to focus on this term 2 root 5 minus 3. The next step is we compare 2 root 5 minus 3 with a plus b root n. A slight rearrangement of the terms will give me minus 3 plus 2 root 5 will be a plus b root n. Now if we compare a plus b root n with minus 3 plus 2 root 5, you'll see that a should be equal to minus 3, b should be equal to 2, and n should be equal to 5. So a is minus 3, b would be 2, and n would be 5. And we want the max value of a plus b plus n. So we'll add all these three. When you add all these three right now, you will get the sum 4. But then you have to be slightly more careful since we have minus 3 plus 2 root 5 here. 2 root 5 can be written in the pure surd form as root of 5 into 4, that's 20. So basically we can also write the left hand side as minus 3 plus root 20 or minus 3 plus 1 root 20. And now we'll compare this with a plus b root n. We'll get a as minus 3, b as 1, and n is 20. And now a plus b plus n will have a value of 18. That seems to be the highest value. It's the C option, 18.